Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd just update you on some of the products that I'm using with my beauty routine at the moment. I went to Aldi's the other day and picked up some of the new stuff that they've got, the new like cleanser they've got and everything. I would have liked to have got more from the new range, but they didn't have it in my local Aldi, so I'll just keep looking for those. But I thought I'd show you. Now, I don't use these all of the time, it's just something that I'm sort of incorporating into my routine and alternating. So some days and nights I'm going to be trying one thing, stuff that I know really does work for me, and now I'm incorporating this as well because it's had such good reviews. So yeah, I thought I'd share it with you. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this is the new Vitamin C Hot Cloth Cleanser. Now I did have the original one that they sell, and that was brilliant. I really love that. I am also using this one as well in between, and this is the pink clay one, and that's really lovely. It smells beautiful. But of course they have just recently brought this one out, the Vitamin C Hot Cloth Cleanser. This is what it looks like. And of course these are all dupes for say the Aloe cleansing polish, because they also come with a muslin cloth. I do have the Aloe cleansing polish, so that's it there. I have to say, since using these, I'm preferring the Lacura range to the Aloe range, and considering, now I can't remember how much I paid for this, but the cleansing polish is a fair bit. I think, if I remember rightly, in the 20s sort of pounds, but don't quote me on that because I can't exactly remember. Whereas this one here is I think it was £3.99, and it's amazing. So that's what I'm going to be using first. Now I've also been using, this is the Healthy Glow Exfoliating Toner with Glycolic acid, aloe vera and ginseng, and this is a dupe for the Pixie range, which is absolutely amazing. I do have a couple of the products from that range and I'm really enjoying this. So I've been using this one. You can see it's down, you can see how much I've used. This is what I bought the other day. This is the Healthy Glow Rose Toner, and this has got hyaluronic acid in it, this one, that's the rose one. And then this one, which is the Healthy Glow Retinol Toner. It's got retinol and jasmine flower. That's that one. They all smell beautiful. The other item that I bought from the range is the Healthy Glow Rose Oil. The bottle's really, really pretty, really cute, and it smells and feels beautiful. That's what the bottle looks like. And I just absolutely love the range, really in love with it. I would have liked to have picked up some of the other stuff. I think they had like a cream for your booty, a cream for your body. They had some makeup palettes, they had eyeshadows. Wasn't so keen on the liquid eyeshadows, but the makeup palettes I would have liked to have got. Yeah, I'll pick them up as and when I see them. So first of all, I'm just going to give my hair a little brush out, and then just pop a hairband on to keep my hair out of my way. I think it's been a little while since I've done a beauty nighttime routine. But as I say, this hasn't replaced my routine, it's just become part of it. So I just sort of change it around a little bit. And I'm just going to pop on a hairband, purely to just keep my hair out of my face. So I'm going to start to run the tap so that the water gets hot. I want it to be hand hot, just a little bit hotter than warm, but obviously not too hot. And then I'm going in with this. I will probably do a double cleanse. I'm going to do a double cleanse because I want to, because I love this stuff so much. So it's got a different, little tiny bit of a different colour to the other one. And it smells like grapefruit. Like, if you imagine just cutting the grapefruit in half And that is what it smells like. It's beautiful. So it's going to go all the way over the eyes, because you can. This product also is animal friendly. All the Lacura products are. I think that's amazing. So just rinse that first lot off.
So, because I like this one so much, I like the one, I'm really enjoying this one. It smells beautiful. I want to get some more, so I did have a look online, and the cleanser is still available online. I think the rose oil is as well. But lots of other things have gone, and they're all sold out, so I don't know if they're that, or if it's a case of...
So I just use about that much, only because I don't really need to use all of that, but I do like to have a really generous amount on my face. Go down to my neck this time. There we go. That feels lovely, and although it feels so clean, it doesn't leave my face feeling stripped. For some reason, I don't know why, but the Lizelle one, when I use the Lizelle one, my face feels a little bit tight afterwards, and I can't tell you why, because you know, all the ingredients in that are really good. So now I'm going to go in with a healthy rose toner. So I'm just going to pop some onto a cotton pad, soak it quite generously, and I'm going over. And I've been doing what I've done so far is what I've been doing in the morning as well, but it is a little change up to what I was doing with my normal nighttime routine. So that's why I've decided to do the video today. And then what I like to do is I then go in with my Alpha H Liquid Gold, which is an acid. And I literally just spray that on, get a little tiny bit of a tingle as soon as it goes on, but then it sort of goes. And then I go in with one of my toners. This is an Lms Toner, because when you're using an acid that's an humectant, the more liquid you put on gives you better results, because apparently the molecules in it can swell by 100 times their size or something, but they need to have more fluid to be able to do that. So I then go on with my my toner, just to add a little bit more fluid to it. And then I'm going in with this beautiful, beautiful rose oil. It is beautiful. There we go. So of course, generous me goes in with quite a lot, because I really like to enjoy these products, and they're just so affordable. Oh, so delicate. You can smell the roses, but it's so delicate. It's beautiful. On the neck, I'm going to just pop down to the décolleté a little bit. There we go. There is one more ingredient that I want to get to try, one more product that I'd like to get to try, and I think I'll probably get it this week. I've had lots of good results, and left my hands, my nails of the oil. I've heard really good results, and I haven't tried it. I'm a massive fan of The Ordinary, and I do use a lot of The Ordinary products, but this is the lactic acid, and I've heard brilliant results, so I think I might get some of that and try that and just sort of slot that in somewhere as well. This is just my Olay 7 Effects Night Cream. Absolutely flipping love this stuff. I've had it for quite a while now. I've hardly used any, but I am using it. It's amazing. Yeah, wasn't expensive in comparison to lots of the eye creams that I've got, but it is really good. I'm loving it. Did I say that in like a country accent, didn't I? I'm loving it. Is that my Hampshire accent, do you think? Hampshire hog. There we go. Last little bit, I just, any left over on my fingers, they go onto my lips. That goes onto my lips. And that is it. It's as simple as that. I mean, it literally takes 5 minutes to do this. I know it's taking me a little bit longer because, of course, I'm talking to you anyway. But I'll see you in the next one, guys. My camera's just about to die, so I'm going to say goodbye. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe. Bye.